Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. We're on week 26. It's hard to believe we are halfway through this challenge. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP26. And our prompts for this week is hometown. So I've got this, it's got the map and it's got passports and all of that. So I'm going with hometown. I'm thinking somebody going home, back home after being away. That's just, this was a hard one, so I'm stretching it. A chair or other furniture, I've got this. Something you can drink from, there's a coffee cup there. Something found in a treasure chest, I have got these rings. Two of something, I've got these sheep. And the bonus is circles, and I'm going with the rings. So let's get started. All right. I am kind of out of sorts, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see what we got here. Put this down. I'll go ahead and put my prompts down too, get them out of my way. Well, it is very, very, very hot and humid. I think we're supposed to get some more rain sometime. We were supposed to have rain all week, but it didn't come. Let's see here. I have been working on my black and white journal. I thought I was going to have it finished for Flip Through Friday, but I didn't quite get done. So I'm just gonna, this is going to be a very, very simple one. I've kind of struggled with these prompts. Okay. I have got that. I wonder if it's too, no, scoop this down just a tad more. There we go. Yeah, this one is definitely not going to be my favorite one. I like it to make a little sense. I never really have a story to tell, but I like it to look kind of cool. But like I said, I had a hometown. I had a hard time with that. There's too many hometowns. And I'm gonna put these down here. My circles / treasure from a chest. All right, and I'm just gonna add just a few things to help it along a little bit, because this feels like a very dull collage. I'm just gonna have that there. And that there. Okay. Nothing very exciting to write home about. Let's see if I can find my gel pen. Thought it was here. My sheep need to stand out just a little bit. See. Just something to help them along here. This going around. And we've got our circle/treasure. I'm just really struggling here. And I am going to outline the mug since it's one of the prompts. Well, it is a little blurry, but and I think I want to do my butterflies or moths. And our flowers. Alrighty then. And here we go. We have our hometown, which I've got the map and the passports and everything. A chair or other furniture, we've got this. Something you can drink from, we've got our mug. Something found in a treasure, we've got our rings, or in a treasure chest. Two of something, we've got our little sheep. And our bonus are circles, and that's also our rings. So I don't think I'm going to do any splatters on this one. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to be a rebel and let the splatters go this time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Yeah, I know this one isn't the best, but it was still fun. And it was just still something enjoyable to do. So maybe next week's will be a little bit more exciting. So y'all take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And until, I'll be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP26 to see what everyone else has made. So I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.